It does feel like we're in the 20s because of that southwest wind at 20 miles an hour, and gusts are still up there. It's going to be a breezy night on the way. Looking at 7 Super Doppler, we're starting to see a little bit of that changeover happen. It's on the higher elevations where the temperatures are colder that the switch is occurring. Otherwise, still expected to be in the form of rain. However, it is getting or will become slick as the temperatures start to drop as well. And behind it, well, we deal with some lake effect snow, which not everyone is going to have, but we are going to see snow showers into our day on Saturday. Notice where the temperatures go down to about freezing, and you know what? They just keep going down from there, and the gusty winds are going to be with us. For our overnight and into early tomorrow, we're still about 30 or 35 mile an hour wind gusts, and then for tomorrow, they're going to slowly subside. Still going to be a breezy day, but a big difference between the 40s that we had today and then the 20s that we'll have tomorrow. So through the night, we're dropping just to about the freezing mark. And then for the day tomorrow, where we start just near the freezing mark, it just continues to slide from there. So we're in the mid-20s around noon. We're close to 20 degrees for around the dinner hour, and then we're in the teens into the evening. Then think about the wind gusts that are about 20, 25 miles an hour. They're slowly going down through the day, but the temperatures are also going down during that same time frame. So in the 20s for the temperature, it's going to feel like we're in the single digits, and we're going to talk about snow. So that switchover is happening as we head throughout the night today. We'll have a quick burst of snow in the early morning hours tomorrow. Not going to be a lot that's on the ground. And then the lake effect takes shape south and east of the city and then off of Lake Ontario into early Sunday. How much snow are we talking about? It's not going to be much, folks. We're going to be very manageable, but it will be slick as we've had rain that will now then just freeze over by the time we get into tomorrow. So any standing water and puddles will turn into that. So light accumulation early tomorrow morning. Then into the afternoon and evening, we're about an inch or two. Some higher elevations along the ridge and off of Lake Ontario. You can see a little bit more than that, but that is about it. We're in the teens for Sunday night. We are in the single digits. It's going to feel like we're 10 to 15, almost 20 degrees below zero. And then next week, it becomes milder. We're near 50 degrees. We'll be watching for any ice jam flooding or things like that into next week.
'Cause it's